Hey there. The U.S. Department of Labor's Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, broke down how this will impact employers across the country. So let's break it down and verify the facts point by point. Our sources for this story is guidance from OSHA and answers to frequently asked questions. Let's start with the biggest issue. According to the rules, employers must require their staff to be vaccinated or adopt a policy requiring employees to choose to undergo regular COVID-19 testing and wear a mask at work. But the rule does not require employers to pay for testing or face masks. Next up, tons of companies around the nation have more than one location. So let's verify. Is the count based on 100 employees for the entire business or 100 employees per location? The answer is the entire company. If a single corporation has 50 small locations with at least 100 employees in its combined locations, that employer would need to follow the OSHA vaccine mandate. The holiday work season is approaching, so will seasonal and temporary employees be counted? Yes, temporary and seasonal workers who are employed directly by the company should be counted. Seasonal workers hired by a temp agency, OSHA says, are not a part of that count. But if you work for a temp agency, you would be a part of their 100 count. Employers are mandated to provide paid company time for you to get vaccinated. But can they set a cap on the recovery time from side effects for the vaccine? The answer is yes. Employers are required to provide reasonable time and paid sick leave to employees to recover from side effects experienced following a primary vaccination dose. But the standard does not specify the amount of paid sick leave that the employer is required to provide for that purpose. Employers may set a cap on the amount of paid sick leave available to employees to recover from any side effects, but the cap must be reasonable. Another question circulating is, can companies require you to get a booster shot? Boosters or any additional doses are not included in the mandate, and employers are not required to enforce their staff to get any additional shots. With your Verify, I'm Megan Rivers.
Yeah, that was really helpful there, Megan. Thank you so much. And when it comes to Moderna's vaccine, the drug maker says it's dealing with production and shipment issues. Moderna now expects to ship between 700 million and 800 million vaccine doses. You're probably saying, that's a lot. Well, that's instead of the 1 billion doses it originally predicted. According to the company, this will mostly affect overseas orders in low-income countries with getting their shipments first. And there's a lot to keep track of on the vaccine front. We know, and we're trying to make it easy for you. Just text vaccine to that number, 202-895-5599, and we will text you back some of those links to our latest reporting.